Hello everyone. So basically, we started the PySpark learning, PySpark course, where we learned the window function in PySpark. We learned by what are the concept in PySpark, what are the concept we need to learn. So basically, window function in PySpark, like basically we start the Spark course. So we will write each and every code in the PySpark, and like if we have time, we'll learn the Scala Spark also. Window function Apache allow us to perform the calculation across a set of table rows that are related to the current row. So basically, window function in Apache Spark allow us to perform the calculation across a set of table rows that are related to the current row. Right? This is a basic definition. We can understand that the result like aggregation do. They are very useful tasks such as ranking, cumulative sums, lead and lag value. So these are the very important. So basically I will be tell you the key concept of window function. Partitioning. Basically partition by, group by, but it retain the row level granularity. Granularity. Ordering, order by, define the order within each partition. Define the order each partition. Frame specification. Define a subset of row to consider for a function. Right? Now, what we learn in our window function? What we learn our window function? I will tell you. Aggregation without grouping. This is a type. What are type function we will learn in this chapter? Aggregation without grouping. Ranking function. Value window functions. Advanced window functions. So we will learn these window functions. Ranking function, we will run row number, rank, dense rank, entile. We will learn lag, read, first value, last value. Advanced window function, they offer the fine grained control over windowing behavior. Frame specific, Python window order by, row between. Exclude, filter close, window chaining. So we will learn these are the window functions. So let me start with one. I will tell you the PySpark syntax. So basically we need to import from PySpark.sql.window import window. We need to import. Then we need to do from PySpark.sql.function import row number, rank, lag, lead and column. Define the window function space. So now we have to define the space where window space, window is the keyword that define you are actually use the window function. Then partition by. So we need to identify what column we need to partition. In upcoming example, I will tell you these are the column we need to partition the data. So we can use the partition by window dot partition by, right? That we have to provide the column name. So which column we want to partition, that we have to provide the partition by. Then we have to do order by. Then we do a order by. Which column we want to the order by, we have to use. So basically this is the way we can define the window function. And now apply the window function in PySpark. I will tell you. We have to use data frame dot. We know with column used for the adding a column, row number, rank, lag, right? This is the way. These are the we have discussed that these are the aggregating functions, like these are the functions for the window. So these are ranking functions, value window functions, right? Row number that over we want to use this row number value function over this window space. This is the syntax in the PySpark. Because many people are saying okay, we should we go with the SQL syntax also, because many companies asking, can you write the code in the SQL? Can you write the code in the PySpark? Can you write the code into uh, different data engineering codes? So basically, we are focusing only two languages, SQL and PySpark, and majorly we are focused on Python. Okay, and you can learn quickly. These are the major focusing language when we are cover the each and every course in this platform. So basically we are going with the SQL also. So we need to understand the what is the SQL. This is a PySpark syntax. This SQL syntax select call row number. Okay, over partition by column. Just basically we are using window space. We are doing a over as a row number. Rank partition by column by or lag. Just we are not doing anything. We are just same thing we are doing just from table. So this is SQL syntax. We are explaining the example with the both the languages here, PySpark and SQL, because many companies asking, can you write the SQL and can you write in Python? So basically we'll do that. Any doubt, any question you can put into the comments. You can put in any question. I will be try to give the answer. Okay, now I'm moving to the another part. So let me explain this window function because we already explained. So we already discussed we need to import the classes. Window use the define PySpark rank lead SQL classes. Window used to row number lag lead column define column helper define the refer column name. Define the window specification in this one. Line define the logical window. So basically we have already discussed from PySpark window column. Window used to define for window specific partition and ordering rules in the PySpark. Row number lag read window function PySpark SQL function. Now define the window specification. These are the just I will give you the syntax. The line define the logical window over which the function will operate. Partition by column 1, divide the data into groups based on the column 1. Each group is treated separately. Order by column 2, within the each partition row are ordered by column 2. The ordering is necessary for ranking, lag and lead. Makes sense. This is a simple one. Apply window function. Basically apply window function, how we can apply, this is a way we can apply that. Row number, assign the unique row number, starting partition, rank and lag. This is SQL. These are the syntax and we already discussed. We'll discuss with the example in upcoming lecture, but these are syntax. Select column 2 1 rank number. So full syntax equal over partition name order by row and range. These are the function we are using. These are the clause, the over close define the window over which function operate operational component, order by column, row and range frame. This is the way we can decide that. So we'll discuss.